Welcome to Vintage Washing Machine Place. My name is Mike King.
And I'm Mike Young.
And we're here as part of a UK collectors group. We met on the internet about 20 years ago. And we're a group of salesmen, engineers, service engineers, collectors and restorers.
And we're here in Alistair Kerr's home in the Vintage Washing Machine Museum.
Before the advent of electric washing machines, you would have used a glass washboard and a wooden posser. This is the oldest machine in our collection, which is a Service Model A from 1930. It uses a simple back and forth agitator action, and it's simply a tub on legs with a motor attached underneath. Doesn't even have a heater or a switch. You simply plug in on the mains and switch on. You would use the soda crystals in the machine with a combination of grated soap, or fairy soap as it used to be known as. The 1940s saw the advent of the more compact streamline machines designed for the smaller UK kitchen. Instead of the tub on legs, we now have a small streamlined cabinet. It uses a spinning pulsator to whirl the clothes through the water and a simple hand wringer. At this time we saw the introduction of the first soap powder in boxes. The 1950s saw the introduction of the single tub, which has a larger capacity than the 40s machine, but now is combined with a spin dryer. We're still using the soap powder, but there are now more and more products on the market. The 60s saw the introduction of the combined washing machine and spin dryer, 2 units in one appliance. We're still using soap powders, but now with added ingredients such as brightness to give you whiter whites.
Also in the 60s we saw the introduction of fully automatic washing machines that washed, rinsed and spun the clothes dry. Select your programme, put your clothes in, close the door and start the machine. Similar washing products were used in this machine.
The first key plate was made of Bakelite and had 8 programs on it. The introduction of the next machine in 1966 came with 2 key plates, which doubled the programs from 8 to 16, and it was a thinner, lighter key plate. In the 70s, Hotpoint introduced the 1504 top loader. It's still using the agitation action back and forth, but now comes with a filter flow tray to constantly filter the water and dispense the powder.
Soap flakes can be used for hand washing, twin tubs and top loaders. They wouldn't be used in a front loading washing machine because they would produce too much foam.
Fabric conditioner was introduced in the 70s. The machines were fitted with compartments which automatically dispense the conditioner into the final rinse. The conditioner smoothed the fabrics, made ironing easier and imparted a fragrance. And we'll go into detail of fabric conditioner in a separate video. In 1976, Service UK developed the first computerised washing machine in the world. Building on that experience in conjunction with Procter & Gamble, they developed in the 1980s the Service Quartz. One of the special programs was the multi-fabric wash, which enabled you to combine mixed loads of laundry on a low temperature with the new Ariel powder for best cleaning results.
In the 80s we saw the introduction of liquid detergents, which were an alternative to powder. We'll discuss the pros and cons of liquid detergents in another video. In the 90s, the environment was high on the agenda. Washing machines started using less water. It was recommended to wash at lower temperatures, so the detergent manufacturers adapted their products.
Early 2000s saw the introduction of more energy efficient machines, less water used, simpler program selection, but more of a variety of programs, enabling you to select time, temperature and spin speed, all variable.
Modern machines are very energy efficient, have a wide range of programs and use a lot less water. They have a range of features which include hand wash programs and drum clean cycles.
The latest machines now come with automatic dosing detergent systems, which enables programs and detergents to be tailored to the wash with the correct dosage. The latest machines use features such as power wash, spin wash action and spray technology for best economy. We hope you enjoyed our video on the history of washing machines and laundry products.
And now we're going to cover some of the common problems and frequently asked questions.